Cheese slices. How they're made in USA, Europe, and Asia. Cheese slices, a staple in burgers, sandwiches, and lunchboxes around the world. But have you ever wondered how that perfectly uniform, creamy slice of cheese makes it from milk to your meal? Welcome to Factory BTS, where we go behind the scenes of cheese slice production. From the heart of dairy farms in the USA to the high-tech processing plants of Europe and Asia. It all begins with milk. In most modern cheese factories, this milk comes from dairy farms that supply thousands of liters daily. The milk is first tested for purity, fat content, and safety. It's then pasteurized, rapidly heated to kill any harmful bacteria, and cooled down. Now the transformation begins. To make cheese slices, manufacturers don't just rely on natural cheese alone. Instead, they create what's known as processed cheese, a blend of natural cheeses, milk solids, emulsifiers, salts, and sometimes butter or cream, depending on the recipe. Blocks of natural cheese, like cheddar or Gouda, are shredded and combined with the other ingredients in large stainless steel mixers. These mixers are heated and churned until the mixture becomes smooth and uniform, a velvety, cheesy emulsion. Next comes the shaping. This molten cheese is pumped into long, flat, and cooled rollers. As the mixture passes through, it flattens into wide cheese sheets. Think of it like cheese dough rolling out into a golden ribbon. These sheets are then cut precisely into individual slices using automated blades. In the US and Europe, every slice is exactly the same thickness, thanks to laser-guided controls and smart sensors. Once sliced, they're immediately layered with thin plastic film or parchment to prevent sticking, and then stacked for packaging. But the magic doesn't end there. Every batch goes through a metal detector and X-ray scanner to ensure there's no contamination. Then, the stacks of slices are sealed in airtight plastic pouches, labeled with date codes, and boxed for distribution. In Asian factories, especially in Japan and South Korea, automation is taken to the next level. Robotic arms sort, stack, and box cheese slices with extreme speed and precision, sometimes handling hundreds of slices per minute. The flavor might vary slightly. American cheese slices tend to be sharper and creamier, while European varieties are more natural, and Asian versions are often milder and tailored for local tastes. Finally, refrigerated trucks deliver these cheese slices to grocery stores, fast food chains, and restaurants worldwide, ready to melt into your favorite cheeseburger or toastie. From fresh milk to melty goodness. That's how cheese slices are made in the USA, Europe, and Asia. A perfect blend of science, tradition, and automation, all packed into a single, satisfying slice.